Anthropic just launched Anthropic Design and it crashed Figma stock. To check it out, you got to go to anthropic.ai/design, and it's like, wow. Everything you need to do in design now comes in Anthropic. And look at that. Boom. Meet Claude Design. Look at that. Wow. Figma, Canva, your days are numbered. Like every design, just upload your design elements, your design, your brand strategy, your brand identity, your colors, your logos, and that's it. It just freaking does everything for you design wise. Like the job of a in-house designer is no longer is no longer doesn't exist anymore. Well, it still exists, but it's not going to exist for long because this Claude design, I mean, Claude just keeps eating every space. It's eating cybersecurity. It's eating coding, web development. It's eating software development. It's eating SaaS. It's eating agents, and now it's eating design. Like, what? Like, what's happening here? Look at that. Look at the slides. Look at these. Like, you can actually manipulate it on the fly, export it to PPX, to PowerPoint, and like, bro. RIP Figma, RIP Canva, RIP Photoshop. This is the new joint. Let me know what you guys think about Claude Design.